Hello and welcome to the GDS Lab version 2024 tutorial for 3.1.2, how to create a station from an existing GDS Lab V2 ini file. Current version of GDS Lab has the ability to import and convert station ini files from the previous GDS V2 to a station configuration. First, you will need a blank station, and what you can do is press the load button, but you need to create that station first and then find the load button right here. So you press that load button. Now we need to locate the file we want to import. So here you'll see a little drop down, and this is the GDS station config. So these are most of these files are the new ones on GDS Lab 2024, but here you can see the drop down to GDS Lab V2 ini file. So these will show only the old ones. So we need to go and find the old ones on your system. In my case, it is a standard V2 TAS, which I will go find now. So once you have located a file, in this case I have, you can double check that it is definitely a V2 ini file, and then you can press open. Now this is what's known as an ini importer from this tab here, and it will basically just try and translate everything from the old V2 file to the new one. So this is just checking. So it will tell us the channel and the key, the parameters, whether they're correct or not. You can always change these as well. The test type, the test standard, all of these things you can change if you want to, but obviously make sure they are correct. So yeah, as long as you check that the old configuration file, the V2 file, is accurate compared to what this is showing, this translation, then you're good to go ahead and press apply. What it will do, it will make sure, it will ask you to save a different file, in this case because it was gone from the old one to a new one. So, because I've done this before, I'm overwriting a file, but in this case you'll probably be creating one for the first time because it's now a .gsc file. So go ahead and do that, and then what it will do, it will open everything up. And this will probably be what you'll be familiar with, this type of display. And then if you want to see everything else, you can click this builder, and then it will give you the exact things that you need and also the readings. But this is a simulation for me, so I'm not getting any active readings. But then you can go ahead and register each device along with the serial number, make sure that the serial number is correct each time. You can go ahead and press all of the devices that you had before to make sure all the information is showing correctly. Another thing to note is that you can look at the device view and parameter views. So these are different ways of viewing your devices that you've got attached with the different parameters. So there we go. If you prefer to view it this way, you can, but that's a good thing to mention. Anyway, that is the end of this video of how to create a station from an existing GDS Lab V2 ini file. Thank you.